Welcome to the AI Built Right podcast. Emily, an enterprise AI architect, hosts with guest Michael, an AI strategist transforming businesses through real world AI engineering. Together, they'll explore why most businesses still fear AI and how to fix it. Discover more insights by following IndaPoint on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. So, why do you think most businesses are still afraid of AI despite its potential benefits?
Well, it's a multifaceted issue. A lot of it comes down to a lack of understanding and trust in the technology. AI can seem like a black box
Absolutely,
to
that
many
makes sense.
decision makers.
Right, and that black box concept can be quite intimidating. How do you think we can demystify AI for these businesses?
Education is key. Providing clear, simple explanations of AI processes and showcasing successful case studies can really help. People need to see AI as a tool, not a threat.
It's interesting you mentioned case studies. Do you have any examples where businesses successfully integrated AI and overcame their fears?
Certainly, one example is the use of AI in predictive maintenance. Companies in manufacturing have cut costs and increased efficiency by using AI to predict equipment
That's a
failures
great
before
example.
they happen.
And yet, even with those successes, some businesses still hold back. Is it more about fear of the unknown, or are there other factors at play?
Fear of the unknown is a big part, but there's also concern about job displacement. Many worry AI will replace human workers, which can create resistance internally.
Job displacement is always a hot topic. How can businesses address these concerns effectively?
Communication is crucial. Businesses should highlight how AI can augment human capabilities rather than replace them. It's about enhancing roles,
I like that
not
approach.
eliminating them.
So, how do you see the role of leadership in overcoming these fears? Is there a particular strategy they should adopt?
Leadership should champion AI initiatives by being transparent and inclusive. They need to foster a culture of innovation where employees feel comfortable experimenting with new technologies.
Creating a culture of innovation sounds ideal, but it can be easier said than done. What are some practical steps businesses can take to get there?
Start small. Implement pilot programs that allow teams to explore AI's potential without significant risk. This can build
Pilot
confidence
programs,
and show
that's smart.
tangible results.
And once they see those results, it can really shift the perception, right?
Exactly. Results speak volumes. When people see improvements in efficiency or new insights that were previously inaccessible, skepticism often turns into curiosity.
Curiosity is a powerful motivator. Do you think curiosity can drive long-term change in how businesses perceive AI?
Absolutely. Once curiosity takes hold, it opens the door for continuous learning and adaptation. This is crucial for businesses to remain competitive in a tech-driven world.
Speaking of competitiveness, how does AI influence a company's ability to stay ahead in the industry?
AI can offer a significant competitive edge by streamlining operations, enhancing customer experiences, and providing data-driven insights. It's
Yes,
about working
smarter,
smarter,
not harder.
not harder.
But what about the ethical considerations? How should businesses navigate the ethical landscape of AI?
Ethics should be at the forefront of any AI strategy. This includes ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI algorithms. Businesses must be proactive in addressing these issues.
Proactivity in ethics, that's crucial. How can businesses ensure they're not just paying lip service to these ethical standards?
They should establish clear ethical guidelines and provide training for employees. Regular audits and third-party evaluations can also help ensure
Regular audits, that's a good
compliance
point.
and integrity.
And in terms of the future, how do you envision AI shaping business operations over the next decade?
The next decade will see AI becoming deeply embedded in all aspects of business operations, from customer service to supply chain management. It will drive innovation and efficiency.
That sounds transformative. But do you think there's a risk of over-reliance on AI at some point?
There is always a risk of over-reliance. It's important for businesses to maintain a balance where human judgment and AI expertise coexist. This synergy is where the real value lies.
Balance is key. So what would be your top piece of advice for businesses still hesitant to embrace AI?
Start with an open mind and focus on learning. Engage with AI experts, invest in education, and don't be afraid to experiment. The potential benefits far outweigh the fears.
That's fantastic advice, especially about the learning aspect. So, what do you think are the main misconceptions that lead to this fear of AI in businesses?
A lot of it stems from the fear of the unknown. Many assume AI will replace jobs or that it's too complex to integrate. But really, AI is a tool designed to enhance human
Absolutely.
capabilities,
Augmentation is
not
key.
replace them.
Exactly. And it's interesting how this fear can prevent businesses from even exploring AI's potential benefits. Do you have any examples of companies that successfully overcame this fear?
Sure, there are plenty. One example is a retail company that started small using AI for inventory management. They saw such impressive results that they gradually expanded AI use across other areas. It wasn't an overnight transformation, but a step by step integration.
That seems like a smart approach. Starting small and scaling up, it must have significantly reduced the fear factor for them.
Exactly. And they were able to build confidence at each stage. This gradual adoption allowed them to continuously learn and adapt, which is crucial for minimizing uncertainties.
So, do you think the fear is more about the unknown or about losing control?
It's a bit of both. The unknown can be intimidating, but losing control is a deeper concern. Businesses need to understand that AI is about collaboration,
Collaboration.
not
That's a great word for
relinquishing
it.
control.
And collaboration implies that businesses should be part of the AI journey, right? How can they ensure they're actively involved and not just passive users?
By being proactive in setting clear goals for AI implementations. Businesses should define what success looks like for them and work closely with AI specialists to tailor solutions that align with those objectives.
It sounds like clear communication and setting expectations are crucial. What role do you think leadership plays in overcoming this fear?
Leadership is pivotal. Leaders must champion the change, advocate for the benefits of AI, and create a culture that is open to innovation. This
Leaders
top-down
really
support
set the
can be a
tone.
game changer.
Culture change is often underestimated in these discussions. How can businesses foster a culture that embraces AI?
Education and transparency are key. Regular training sessions, open forums for discussion, and clear communication about how AI is being used can demystify the technology and build trust.
Trust is such an important element. Without it, any technological change can be met with resistance.
Absolutely. And once trust is established, businesses can shift from a mindset of fear to one of opportunity. Embracing AI can open up
Opportunity
new
over
avenues
fear?
for growth
That's
and
powerful.
efficiency.
As we wrap up, what final thoughts do you have for businesses still on the fence about AI?
I would say don't let fear hold you back. Embrace AI as a partner in your business journey. The future is here, and those who adapt will thrive.
Thank you, Michael, for sharing your insights. It's been a fascinating discussion. For those interested in diving deeper, check out the AI Built Right podcast for more expert advice.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing this important topic.
It's really interesting how fear can be such a barrier to innovation. But, Michael, what are some practical steps businesses can take today to overcome this fear and start integrating AI?
Well, one of the simplest steps is to start with education. Train your workforce on the basics of AI so they understand its potential and limitations. This reduces the unknown,
Absolutely,
which is
knowledge is
often the root
power.
of fear.
And what about starting small? Can incremental implementation help ease some of these concerns?
Definitely Factorial begin with pilot projects that solve specific problems. This allows businesses to see tangible results and
That's a
build
smart
confidence
approach.
gradually.
I imagine culture plays a big role too. How can leaders foster a culture that's open to AI and technological change?
Creating a culture of curiosity is key. Encourage teams to ask questions and experiment with AI tools. Leadership should lead by example, showing openness and adaptability.
That makes a lot of sense. And for those businesses already on the fence, what could be the tipping point to push them into adopting AI?
Often, it's seen competitors gain an edge with AI. Realizing they've fallen behind can be a powerful motivator. But it's better to be proactive rather
Yes,
than
staying
reactive in
ahead
these
is crucial.
situations.
As we wrap up, any final thoughts on how businesses can turn AI from a perceived threat into a valuable ally?
Embrace AI as a tool for enhancing human capabilities. It's not about replacement but augmentation. The AI Built Right podcast can offer deeper insights into making this transition smoothly.